Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering and readying the Dime 2. Plug the case in and let the LED show a solid charge. Once done, open the case and remove both buds. They power on and enter pairing automatically. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone or laptop. Keep the source device within 3 meters for a clean initial connection. You're doing this first, so the earbuds and device establish a reliable link before you move on to fit and controls. Once paired, test the connection by playing a short audio clip. You should hear clear, balanced sound. If bass feels weak, swap to a larger ear tip and rotate the bud into the ear canal until it seals. Fit affects both comfort and audio. Now practice the control patterns. Use single presses for play/pause, doubles for track skip, and long presses for voice assistant or call reject. Keep the case close so you can return the buds and verify charging behavior quickly. Finish by checking call quality and adjusting the device EQ or Skullcandy app presets if you want more treble or bass. Make sure you store the Dime 2 in the case after each session so they power off and conserve battery. If pairing fails or audio stutters, try this one key fix. Put both buds back in the case, then hold the touch/button areas on both until the LEDs flash. Release, close case, and repair from your device's Bluetooth list.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.